This is a Hmong history, alive and strong, a tale of resilience where we all belong. Through struggles and triumphs, we rise and we flow, united in spirit. Watch our culture glow. Uplifting each other, hearts burning bright. This is a Hmong history, alive and strong, a tale of resilience where we all belong. Through struggles and triumphs, we rise and we flow, united in spirit. Watch our culture glow.